Antimalarials are effective. It depends on how you use them. I've heard complaints from people about I've been using antimalaria that are not effective. Anytime I go back to lab to run MP malaria parasite test, I'm always told I have malaria parasite plus. What are the reasons for this? You are welcome again to my channel, Healthpreneur. This is a channel we educate people, we inform you so that you know stuff about your health. And many people made mistakes, and these mistakes cost them seriously in terms of money, in terms of time, in terms of so many things. So let's talk about antimalaria and their effectiveness. There are so many types of antimalaria. There was a time in this part of the world where chloroquine was the best antimalaria, but it comes to a time that chloroquine was no more effective. Until recently, last year during the COVID pandemic, that people start advocating the use of chloroquine that was banned for many years, what they call it monotherapy. Suddenly, chloroquine came back on board, and it really helped then. But this time around, there are so many drugs that you can take for malaria. We have ACT, Artemisin Combination Therapy. We have the Artemisin Peperaquine. We have Sovadosin Pyrimethamine. We have different brands. We have Tesunate. We have Alpha Beta Theta. We have so many. But let's talk about Artemether-lumefantrine, which fall under the group of ACT. Artemether-lumefantrine are very, very effective if you take them correctly. How do you take them correctly? One, most of them we have by 24. The one you have 24 in a sachet. What you are supposed to do, no matter the name, no matter the brand name, it's not the brand name that is important, but the drug, the artemether-lumefantrine you want to take. Whatever the brand name you are buying, whether it's soft gel, whether it's not soft gel, you take the first dose. Then the second dose, like I always tell people, the second dose is more important than the first dose. You have to use the second dose 8 hours after the first dose. If you miss that, you have wasted that drug. So for instance, if you buy your drug, your ACT, around let's say 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening, you wait till around 9 or 10 in the night before you take it. You don't want it to disrupt your sleep pattern. So when you take it, then you count 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You take the second dose. Even if it is early in the morning, 5 o'clock, get something to eat or drink, get soft drink, then use your drug. By that, the effectiveness of the drug will be okay. They will work very, very well. But if you take it, for instance, you take it now, then you now remember the second dose after 12 hours. You are wasting the drug. So it is important to take the second dose 8 hours later. Don't wait till it is after 12 hours, 13 hours. No. Then thereafter you take it morning and night. Till you finish. Make sure you finish the whole pack. Some people are in the habit of taking 3-4 doses. After taking it, they say, oh, now I'm okay. So they throw away the other drugs in the pack. It shouldn't be. Take your drugs as prescribed. Respect your doctor's prescription. It is very important. Don't take 2, 3 and say, oh, no, I'm okay. I think I don't need the drug again. You need it. Take it. And take time to rest when you are being treated for malaria. At times what people term malaria are not malaria. They are just stress. People need to rest. People need to have time to rest. Quality time to rest and sleep. But people don't do that. So you may be going back every day, every now and then. You are treating malaria again and again and again. They tell you it's malaria. It might not be malaria. But I just told us how to take our ACT. Very important. Tell your friends, educate them. Show this video to them. Like the video, share it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. You can set up your own business and also tips, sexuality, and so on and so forth. So do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And hit the bell notification so that you receive my videos when I drop them. Thank you. Your health is your wealth. Thank you.